What's going on YouTube? In today's video we are going to show you the brand new Recon wired controller by Turtle Beach. We're going to do the unboxing and a first impression of it. Let's hop into it. So starting from the very front of the box, you know, showing you a picture and everything. Normal stuff. A little side view, front view of the controller on the side. On the back here it says Turtle Beach Audio Advantage. Ergonomic cooling grips keep those hands from getting sweaty in intense situations. You have the Pro Aim focus mode. It says one of two mapping buttons. Pro Aim tunes thumbstick sensitivity for improved long range accuracy. Can't wait to hop into that. I just think they're remappable buttons, and that's probably what I'm going to use them for. But hey, it sounds cool. And then, of course, superhuman hearing mode, which is pretty much common nowadays on all these new headsets coming out. So we'll see if it really holds up. This is a Xbox Series X, Series S, and it's compatible with your Microsoft PC and as well as the original Xbox One. Like the Xbox One and Xbox One S and all that. USB plugs in, it just picks it up, you're good to go. Little side view of it. Tells you right there. There you go. All right, let's hop into it. Let's be quick. This stupid freaking circle things couldn't make it easy for us, could they? They had to put these things on there. It's like a freaking Volt. How many bad guys does it take to get into one Recon controller box? Beautiful. Here we go. So right off top, you have your booklet, which is your information guide, telling you everything you have, everything the controller does. Quick start guide. That's nice. We have, as usual, I would assume this is a 10-foot to 9 to 10 foot nylon cable. Is it USB-C? Yes, it is, folks. It's USB-C. Thank God. I'm glad that people are finally getting the picture and going to these. Man, that's it. That was simple. Let's get to the main part, which is the controller. Man, this controller right off rip, I'm going to tell you, it feels super, super light. Man, you can tell they didn't put no counterweights in this thing or anything. Hopefully it has some vibrators in it. I'm sorry, children. Hopefully it has something in it makes the vibrations of the controller work. I don't know why I'm still talking about this. Moving on. These thumbsticks, they are super small. Gives me, man, these are really small. I almost want to say this is smaller than the Xbox controller itself. I do like the grips on there. I do feel cool to the touch. The question is it going to warm up when I have my big, hot, sweaty hand on there for 25 minutes playing a game of Warzone? And right here we have our buttons. And these are supposed to do different things, man. I can't wait to see if these work. My biggest thing is, does it work wirelessly? Because it's cool that you can put I would assume it definitely works wired. But does it work wirelessly? That's kind of my big question, because I know I do wireless and most of my friends do wireless. So if it's not wireless, man, and you can't hook a wireless Turtle Beach up to it, even if it's just Turtle Beach, I could completely understand since it's a Turtle Beach headset or controller. But we want to make sure it's definitely has a wireless controller hooks up to it. Now I will tell you, these grips on these triggers, man, look at these things. They are, man, I ain't slipping off those, man. Those are on there tight. I feel like I got like 1,000 grand sandpaper on my triggers right here. So fingers are gonna be on there nice and tight, good and going. And they put it on every single trigger, even your extended buttons on the bottom. What do they call these buttons? P and P1. PP1. So P's and P1 buttons. Of course, it has your 3.5 millimeter jack for your headset. You got your Xbox share button because this is a next gen console controller. And man, that's it. This controller is super light. It feels strong, but it definitely feels light. I feel like it could break easily, but the plastic at least feels pretty tough on it. The grips are nice on it. I almost feel like my hand's too big for the controller off first rip, if I'm being honest. I mean, look at this. If I'm playing man, I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll play with it this weekend, give it my honest review as always, and put it out hopefully sometime in the middle of next week so y'all can get it and see if it's worth getting. $60, man. Hopefully this is a good controller for $60. There's a lot of good ones out there now for $60. I just hope this one will be one of the ones that's worth buying for $60. Make sure you like the video because of course I like you. And as always guys, be safe until I drop the full review on this controller. I'll see you next time. Later.